guys, Rachel here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing another try-on review haul. I got this massive package from Gamiss. So Gamiss contacted me and asked me if I want to try some of their products. Like they have clothes, shoes, they have beauty items, they have accessories, and I was like, yep. When I checked the website, I was like, oh yeah. I actually got some stuff for Dan as well. Unfortunately, most of the stuff that I got for him didn't fit him, so I was gonna do this video with him. But yeah, when he saw the clothes and tried some of them, he was like, no. I will show you the items that I got for Dan later on, but I will start with the stuff that I got for myself. As usual, all the links will be below. The website link, gamiss.com, will be below, and the link of every single item that I will show you will be below as well. Okay, so we will start with this one here. What is this? Oh no, I thought it's for me. It's actually for Danny Boy. But yeah, this one doesn't fit him. Okay, this one, I'm sure this is for me. This is a it is a romper. I will be posting the pictures and then the size on this part of the screen here, or maybe here as well. But so I'm not gonna mention the size anymore. I will just post it on the screen. You guys know me if you've been watching my hauls or if you've been watching my videos. I love rompers, and it comes with the string as well that goes in the holes. Okay, let's try that on. This is actually not a bad fit at all, you guys. This is small. See, I'm gonna put the string. I like this, you guys. I really like this. I'm thinking of getting rid of this strap here because it just looks weird. Maybe if it's open like that, the strap can stay, but I don't want it to be open. So as you guys can see, I didn't leave any gap on there because I don't want like too much skin to show. But yeah, I really like this one. It fits me perfectly. I love this. The color is really nice as well for spring, summer. By the way, this romper is double lined, so even if it's white, it's not see-through because it has lining underneath. Now, oh, this is swimwear. Oh, okay. Alright, this, oh, what size are you? It looks small. It is size small. Most of the time, actually, if it's small for swimwear, it doesn't fit me. Like, it needs to be extra small or extra small. But this one looks tiny, so maybe it will fit me. Let's try it on. Oh my goodness, it fits me! The side. Look at that, you guys. That is so sexy. On the side as well. Nice! I cannot wait to wear that. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Okay, next one. You guys! It says Zaffle. This is another swimwear. This package is from Gamiss, and we have a Zaffle item in here. I am in love with this color. How good is this color on me? It comes with the booby pads, but the padding, as you guys can see, it's not very good quality. It's kind of like wrinkly. This is something I can see myself wearing, but with shorts, because this goes really high up on here. It's like really skinny down there. Next one is, okay, this one looks like a pair of shorts. Oh no, romper again. Okay. This one, oh nice. It looks like that. It has some pom-poms, no, tassels going on at the back. I'm not sure about this one. The front is very open. The front is really open. I'm wearing a bralette, so it's fine. Look at the back. That's the back. I think that's like a bit too loose. From here to there, it fits perfectly. It's just this part here, it's too big. The quality is really nice though, and I really like the color. It's just, it's too big. Okay, next one is a, oh, romper again. Oh, I like this color. Nice. Okay, this romper has a lot going on. So it's halter, so you have to tie it around your neck, and then you have 2 ties left to tie at the back. It looks nice. I love this color as well, but the bottoms looks a bit big on me. I look like I'm wearing a diaper or a nappy because it's just way too big. Oh, I think this is a romper. Are you a romper? Oh yeah, it is a romper. Oh, that looks massive. I love this color again. Gusto ko yung mga stripe na pastel with white. Oh, I love it. Yeah. This is way too big. The bottoms looks nice, but the top is way too big. Maybe if you have like gazunga on there, it will be alright, but yeah, not for me. Oh, another romper. Surprise! Another romper! This is a nice off-shoulder romper. Let's hide those straps. I'm not sure about the color. I feel like it's way too many colors for my liking. Okay, so the drawstring is actually not a drawstring. They actually have like a fixed elastic on here that you cannot adjust, because that one is attached on there. You can't really like adjust the string, so it is a bit loose on my waist area, but not too bad actually. I think I'll wear this. Yeah, I like it. Next one is this one. What are you? Oh, okay, skirt. Oh, nice. I will just try on the skirt with this romper. Oh wow, I like this. Look at this, you guys. Wait, can you see? I'm wearing socks because I just got home from work, but look at that. I like the skirt. It's really flowy. It is a really good material as well. Stretchy. Yeah, the socks doesn't look good with this, but I really like the skirt. So far, this is my favorite. Oh, no. The swimwear as well. I love those. Next one is a t-shirt. Okay. A blue with white stripes on the sleeve t-shirt. I'm not quite sure about this. The sleeves, they're way too big. Yeah, the material is nice though. It doesn't go with the skirt at all, but yeah, okay. Next one, oh, leggings. Oh, nice. The quality is really good. This is extra small leggings with a pocket. How good is that? You can fit. Can I fit my phone in there? Wait. It is so hard for me to find leggings that actually fits me. I always have to go to the kids section, but this one feels like it is a perfect fit. This is really nice, you guys, but I'm not gonna show you that part there because it doesn't look good. I have camel toe with this one. Aside from that, it fits really well. It has a different fabric on this side, and then it has the pocket as well, so if you like, you know, go for a run, oh, your phone fits. Yep, my phone fits in there. That's the iPhone 7 Plus, and it fits pretty well because it's very stretchy. This one, ooh, same as, no, not really. I was gonna say same as the other one, but it is like different. This one is pinstripes. I love this color. I'm not sure about this. It is weird. I don't think I will wear this because of how that bottom part looks like. This is gonna be a giveaway item, so stay tuned. Okay, last clothing item is this swimwear again. Another one piece. Oh yeah, another one piece. This is a size small. You know what? I'm not gonna try it on because I don't think this will fit me. I'm pretty good at eyeing what fits and what doesn't. Plus, I think it's too high up here as well. So I'm not gonna try it on. I will post a picture right here and I will include this in the giveaway, you guys. And I think that is it for the clothes, you guys. As I mentioned earlier, they have a lot of products, you guys, on the website. So they don't just have clothes, they also have accessories, they have beauty items, they have some cool stuff like this pie face. I have been wanting something like this because I want to do a video with Dan doing the pie face. This one, so you put a pie on there and I think you press something and then yeah, it will slap your face with a pie. Yeah, so this is the hand that will slap you with a pie. So obviously you will supply your own what do you call that, whipped cream, and then it will slap your face like that. I'm planning of doing a video with Dan, but I do not know what kind of video I will like film with him so we can use this one. I'm not sure, but yeah, they have stuff like that as well, and they have other cool stuff, and I think they have the toilet one as well that will like splash water on your face, something like that. Okay, and as I mentioned, they have beauty stuff, so curling thingy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wands, I believe. I have chocolate curls now because it's the end of the day. I've had the curls for maybe 10, 11 hours now. Okay, so this one comes with a glove. Nice. That one. That. Oh, that's a big one. Instruction. Plastic. And then those. And then 2 small ones. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, next up is this one. It comes in a separate bubble wrap package. So we'll see what's in here. Okay. Oh, alright. I remember this. This is the tableware suit. Tableware suit. Yes. So it comes with a fork, a cute little spoon, and chopstick that I don't really use. If I have a choice not to use chopstick, I'm not gonna use chopstick because I'm not good at it. Ah, brushes. I was gonna say I already have a ton of brushes, so I'm gonna give this away to you guys, but I really like it. Pang display, but you know what, I don't need it. But yeah, those are the brushes and they're really nice. It's kind of like teardrop. We have, what is this? I don't remember this one. Is it a mirror? I think it is a mirror. Flower garden lifestyle, sabi. Is that a, oh, it is a mirror. Okay, nice. Oh, I like this one. I'll bring this to work. And then, oh, this one. Yes, I remember this. This is a brush cleaner. So if you're doing your makeup, you can clean your brush using that. So it's just black. I don't really know what kind of material that one is, but I haven't tried something like that at all. So I was thinking, might as well try. What is this? We have this, an adapter. Oh, okay. What is this? This is for Danny Boy. He likes watches. He got this watch. That actually looks fancy. This is a cool looking watch. See, that looks good. This is from the brand Gimto Professional, and it says it's waterproof. That's nice. That's a really good gift idea, guys. Oh, wow. This one is massive. Whoa, that is so big. But that one looks really cool. I'm not sure if you can see, but yeah, look at that. That one looks really cool. Oh, Dan will love this. I think this is a torch. Like flashlight sa Pilipinas. Torch yung tawag nila dito. And I got 2 pairs of sunnies. Oh, this is the first one. I don't mind that. Yeah, I like that one. This one, this is big. This is big. Yeah, that's really big. I like it though. It is so big. Now, I will show you guys quickly the clothes that Dan picked for himself. This one, the quality is really good actually. And I really like the print as well. This is already large and like, that's not large. And then this one is extra large, you guys. Like, this cannot be extra large. But this is extra large. I think this one is his favorite print. Look at that. And the print is actually really, really good quality. And then this one as well. He really likes this one. But then again, too small. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the haul. I will be showing you guys the stuff that I'm giving away. So I will be giving away this romper here. And then the gray one-piece swimwear that I showed earlier. And then this romper here. The color is really nice. So if you're taller than me, I'm pretty sure this is gonna look great on you. It's just I'm not tall enough for this. And then I will be including this as well, this romper. I will leave the detailed information on how you can join the giveaway in the description box. Yeah, and that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye!